Welcome back to Buy Your Car. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2026 Toyota Prius PHEV, a plug-in hybrid that continues to redefine efficiency while offering a surprisingly stylish design, modern technology, and impressive performance. The latest Prius PHEV is built for drivers who want excellent fuel economy without sacrificing comfort or everyday practicality. The exterior design of the 2026 Toyota Prius PHEV is one of its biggest highlights. Toyota has transformed the Prius from a traditional eco-focused vehicle into a sleek and sporty-looking hatchback. The front end features sharp LED headlights, a low and wide stance, and an aerodynamic grille design that improves efficiency while giving the car a premium appearance. The smooth body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, creating a coupe-like profile. Stylish alloy wheels, flush body details, and a modern rear light bar complete the futuristic look. Whether parked or moving down the road, the Prius PHEV attracts attention in a way previous generations never did. Step inside, and the cabin feels modern, spacious, and technology-focused. High-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces give the interior a refined atmosphere. The digital instrument cluster is positioned near the driver's line of sight, making it easy to view important information. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while multiple USB ports and wireless charging add convenience. The seats are comfortable for long trips, and both front and rear passengers enjoy generous legroom. Cargo space remains practical, making the Prius PHEV suitable for daily commuting, family use, and weekend travel. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Prius PHEV combines a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with an advanced electric motor and battery system. The plug-in hybrid setup delivers strong acceleration and smooth power delivery. Drivers can enjoy pure electric driving for short daily commutes, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. When additional power is needed, the gasoline engine works seamlessly with the electric motor to provide confident highway performance. The suspension is tuned for comfort while maintaining stable handling. Overall, the Prius PHEV offers a quiet, smooth, and enjoyable driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Toyota Prius PHEV is expected to start at around $35,000 for the base model, while higher trims with additional technology and premium features may reach over $42,000. Considering its advanced hybrid technology, impressive efficiency, modern design, and strong value, the Prius PHEV remains one of the best choices in the plug-in hybrid segment. Thanks for watching Buy Your Car. If you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Toyota Prius PHEV, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews.